What's up guys? Sa video ito ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano isolve ang variance at standard deviation of a discrete probability distributions. At nasa screen na nga ang ating formula, paki-screenshot nyo na po. The variance and standard deviation are statistical measurement describing the amount of spread, dispersion, or variability of the terms in a distribution. In solving variance, may mga step din tayong susundin. Una, find the mean of the probability distribution. Number 2, subtract the mean from its value of the random variable x. Number 3, square the result in step 2. Number 4, multiply the result obtained in step 3 by the corresponding probability. And number 5, get the sum of the result obtained in step 4. At para sa ating problem number 1, consider rolling a die. Find the average random variable x representing the number of spots that would appear. Para sa ating step 1, find the mean of the probability distribution. Hindi na natin yan problema kasi nasolve ko na yan sa aking unang video at ang mean nga natin ay 3.5. At ito na nga guys ang ating probability distribution. Sunod natin gagawin ay we will subtract the mean from its value of the random variable. Isa-isahin na natin. 1 minus 3.5 is negative 2.5. 2 minus 3.5 is negative 1.5. 3 minus 3.5 is negative 0.5. 4 minus 3.5 is 0.5. 5 minus 3.5 is 1.5. And 6 minus 3.5 is 2.5. For our step 3, square the results in step 2. To proceed, negative 2.5 squared is 6.25, negative 1.5 squared is 2.25, 0.5 squared is 0.25, 0.5 squared is 0.25, 1.5 squared is 2.25, and 2.5 squared is 6.25. For our next step, step 4, we will multiply the results obtained in step 3 by its corresponding probability. Proceed na tayo. 1/6 times 6.25 equals 1.0417. 1/6 times 2.25 equals 0.375. 1/6 times 0.25 equals 0.0417. And for our step 5, get the sum of the results in step 4, the result in the value of the variance. And that is according to the formula. The variance equals the summation of quantity x minus mu squared equals the probability of x. Adding the results in step 4, the sum is 2.9168. Therefore, the variance of the probability distribution is 2.92 if rounded off. To get the value of the standard deviation, just get the square root of the variance. To proceed, we have square root of 2.9168, which is equivalent to 1.71. Therefore, the standard deviation of the probability distribution is 1.71. So, ganyan lang siya. Getting the variance in table form is much easier. Using the formula, delta squared equals the summation of x minus mu quantity squared times the probability of x. And lastly, getting its square root, we have now the standard deviation value. Magtalakay tayo ng isa pang problem. The probabilities of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 COVID-19 patients on any day in a hospital are 0.18, 0.25, 0.12, 0.30, and 0.15 respectively. Find its variance and its standard deviation. Dahil na-solve na rin natin ang mean sa nakaraang video, ito na ang ating probability distribution na kung saan ang mean nga natin ay 5.86. Proceed na ulit tayo. Subtract na nga natin yung ating mean na 5.86 from the values of the random variable x. 2 minus 5.86 is negative 3.86. 4 minus 5.86 is negative 1.86. 5 minus 5.86 is negative 0.86. 8 minus 5.86 is 2.14. And 10 minus 5.86 is 4.14. Next is get the square of the results in step 2. Negative 3.86 squared is 14.8996. Negative 1.86 squared is 3.4596. Negative 0.86 squared is 0.7396. 2.14 squared is 4.5796. And 4.14 squared is 17.1396. Again, next to do is multiply the results obtained in step 3 by its corresponding probabilities. 0.18 times 14.8996 is 2.6819. 0.25 times 3.4596 is 0.8649. 0.12 times 0.7396 equals 0.0888. 0.30 times 4.5796 equals 0.4739. 0.15 times 17.3096 equals 2.5709. Next is add the results in step 4, and the sum is already the value of the variance. The sum is 6.68004. Therefore, the variance of the probability distribution is 6.68. Once again, get the square root of the variance to get the value of the standard deviation. Therefore, the square root of 6.6804 is 2.58. Therefore, the standard deviation of the probability distribution is 2.58. For our third and last problem, the traffic violators apprehended in a certain town on random days of the month are 10, 12, 18, 26, 34, or 44. Its probabilities are 0.15, 0.25, 0.36, 0.18, 0.04, and 0.02 respectively. Find the variance and its standard deviation. Again, unang gagawin ay isolve ang mean, at ang mean nga natin ay 17.7. Step 2 is subtract the mean from the respective values of the random variable x. So meron tayong mga result na negative 7.7, negative 5.7, 0.3, 7.3, 16.3 at 26.3. Next ay squared natin ang mga results na yan para sa ating step 4. Negative 7.7 squared is 59.29 hanggang 26.3 na 691.69. Next, i-multiply natin ang mga results na yan sa kanyang corresponding probabilities. 0.15 times 59.29 equals 8.89. 0.25 times 32.49 equals 8.12. 0.36 times 0.09 equals 0.03. 0.18 times 53.29 equals 9.59. 0.04 times 265.69 equals 10.62. And 0.02 times 691.69 equals 13.83. And to get the variance of this distribution, i-add natin ang ating last column. So, ang sagot ay 51.08. Therefore, the variance of this probability distribution is 51. Again, get the square root of the variance to get the standard deviation. So, therefore, the square root of 51.08 is 7.1. Therefore, our standard deviation of this probability distribution is 7.1. Once again, sana ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, at kung bago ka sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment na din kung may gusto pa kayong linawin.